So I want to show you guys how sterilized this new body shop I am at. Okay, so let me just put on these gloves really quick, and then I'm gonna show you what I do with the dirty clamps and how I clean them. So first scrub them and then put it in a heat machine. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So let me put these gloves on. So these are dirty but not so dirty, but I'm gonna just scrub them. So this is what we use over here, the toothbrush and some of this. That's pretty much it. Tapers, just go ahead and scrub them. Alright, now they're good as new. And take off the gloves. Alright, so I got new gloves and I'm gonna have to dry these up. And this is what I'm gonna put them in. The new pouches. So I like to manually dry them out. And then put them in the pouch. Finally, grab the last little clamp, dry it off. Hello. This is not really necessary to dry it, but I still like to dry it in case there's like a little crust or anything that I may have missed. And I use it towards the size that I need it, so I'll put it that way so I can see it when I need it again. And then I just close that. Boom. Next, we're gonna go over to this machine right over here, this lovely machine. Whoa. trying to have it nice and settled. But anyways, let me show you the machine right here. This is how it looks. It's an old machine. Just to clean it. But anyways, let me set it up there. I would remove this. Flick it open. And put in my tools in now. And I would cook it for about 3 minutes. Since it's an old machine, I need to like lift it up and stuff. Anyways, clamps for 3.5 minutes. Clamps and press start. And that's it. After that, I could take them out without any gloves. I don't need any gloves. This is how the machine sounds. It says unwrapping and warming up. It's gonna be doing that for 3 minutes now. Meanwhile, I'm over here. Hello, how we doing today? Alrighty, it is done. Press that button. So basically I just click this 2 times and then just take it out. So this will be steaming hot. And the clamps are done, baby. Beautiful. I just set them aside and they will be done for the next available piercing clamp. At the tattoo shop, I had Meticide and other stuff like that to just spray down. But here they use another spray. Thank you guys so much for watching me clean my clamps and how I clean my clamps here at Elite Body Jewelry. If you would like a piercing done by me, my name is Emmy. Nice to meet you. I'm a body piercer since 16 years old. I'm about to be 27. Oh my God. But if you're in the New York City area and you would like to get a piercing by me, just Google me real quick. Ink Piercings Royalty, same way it's spelled here. And yeah, right now I'm in Soho and I would like to do your piercing. I'm pretty happy. Today is a good day for me. Hopefully it will be a blessed year. I do all types of piercings. I do belly piercings. I do nose piercings. I do any types of oral piercings. I do ear piercings. I do dermals, industrial, date, like any earrings that you would like to get. Please hit me up if you're in the New York City area, because I am your girl and I am available for you. It is a beautiful and gorgeous day out. I'm just gonna show you how sunny and bright it is. Like, yes, gorgeous, glamorous, like, yes, queen. All right, let me just end this here. I hope you have a blessed day. If I tell you guys anything, on my Instagram, on Ink Piercings Royalty, same way it's spelled on most of my social media, I do sometimes piercings giveaway. Like, I also do free piercings here and there, because I know sometimes we all can't afford a $40 piercing. So sometimes a free piercing here and there to a few of my followers, friends and family, I don't mind giving you a discount. So pull up on me. I'm waiting for you here. I will be here until midnight today. Wow, I should get a little break and do something with myself. Yeah, I'm gonna get on YouTube live. Fuck it. Really crazy. I dyed my hair to have purple hair and now I like the blonde. I like it. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? Anyways, hope you guys learned anything about the clamps, sterilization. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave it down below.